Welcome back, guys. Today I'm here with Subella Hair once more. This is the packaging. So I got a few goodies in there. I got this robe. I got some goodies, as I said. I got a elastic band, some wig caps, information card, and much more. This is the wig. This is a 360 Invisi strap drawstring kinky edge kinky hair texture wig. This is 24 inches long and it's also a 220% in density, very full. The cap construction is nice and standard. It has a combing on the inside along with the adjustable elastic band. For more security, I went ahead and slipped it on, and not to mention this comes pre-plucked, and so it is also glueless, so do note that. I went ahead and I did a very easy installation. I first went on to securing the sides with the lace tape that I got in the package, did that, and then now I'm adjusting the Invisi strap at the sides. Super easy to do. You just drag the knob to wherever, how tight you want it to be, and then you tuck away the excess beneath the cap. That is all it is to it. And then I proceeded to do the same thing on the next side. Very straightforward and very beginner friendly.
Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling.
It also has a decent amount of lace space to work with, so you could explore different hairstyles with it. And it is also pre-bleached. The lace is also a HD lace, so this is really nice if you want to do more with the edges, but I decided to rock it just as it comes out of the package. I went ahead and did an updo for the first hairstyle. That's super easy, very to the point, very beginner friendly. Anybody can do this. Okay, look how natural that looks.
Got me dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah.
So then I decided that I wanted to go ahead and put some curls in the hair itself. So I got my curler and I just took my time to go through the entire wig.
I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh, magic. No, I'm never letting go. Now that I have it with you. When you kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't wanna show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher, higher. Every little thing you do.
This is how it looks once I'm done with curling it up. Those curls are so juicy. Like, this is so good. As I said, it's 220% in density, so this is super nice and full and luscious, very much giving that blown out realistic vibe, and it's just amazing. So this is actually the second look. Okay, beautiful and just luscious.
Every time you hold me, take me higher, higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher.
So for the third look, I decided to explore a half up, half down, and I left some of the hair out in the front to give like that bang look. And again, very easy, very to the point.
Every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Ooh, you take me higher, ooh, you take me higher, baby, you take me higher, ooh, you take me higher, baby, you take me higher, ooh, you take me higher, baby, you take me higher, yeah, you take me higher, baby.
But yeah, that's it, guys. This is the third and final look. If you're interested in getting this wig for yourself, the link to it is in my description box, as well as all the specifications. Shout out to Subella once more for today's gorgeous realistic wig look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.